So what's up, guys? Smiles back with another video. I'm kind of quiet and distraught right now, kind of disappointed. But I wanted to make this video because I feel like this is something that nobody really talks about, but like, I feel like I said it every video because like nobody talks about the topics I talk about. But opportunity is normally like right in front of your face. Normally, like, opportunity or things that people tell you consistently over and over again, it sounds stupid at first, but if you would just be objective for a second, because like this happened to me, like at work, I was like, hey man, like these people kept telling me like, hey, you need to do such and such job because you would be a good, you make a lot of money and then you be a good, driver or whatnot. I'm like, at first I'm like, oh, that's stupid. I don't want to do that. Like, that's just dumb. But looking at it in the retrospective, I'm like, man, like it's a lot of opportunity right there. I could do that for a few years, save up some money and then do what I need to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, once you take it for what it is and like get your biases out the way and just evaluate the opportunity and what people are saying, you'll actually see that the opportunity is like literally plainly in your face. So I feel like a lot of people's problems in today's world is that they have opportunities, they have answers to their problems. They're just right in their face and they just don't realize it. Right, due to our deficiencies as human beings. I was reading a book about human nature, and our brains are kind of designed to kind of fool us, which is kind of weird in a messed up way because we're driven by evolutionary, impulses from the past. So, psychologists understand this stuff very fluently, but more times than not, the opportunity that you're looking for, the opportunity that you're looking to get out of the rat race, to get out of your circumstances, is normally right in front of you, right? It might not be sexy, it's not sexy. It's easy for LeBron James to have seen his opportunity because basketball was right in front of his face. You know what I'm saying? Your opportunity might not be sports. It might be the truck drive. It might be to be a trainer. It might be to be a teacher. You know what I'm saying? So reevaluate your opportunities, reevaluate the situation that you're in, reevaluate the whole perspective on everything that you're doing right now. Just reevaluate the whole thing, think it over, analyze it, assess it for what it is, take your biases and objectivity out, and just kind of look at the good side of it, not the bad side, look at the good sides of it, right? I feel like, as I was reading a book today called Psychology of Money, and it was talking about the seduction of pessimism and where we as human beings, psychologists say that we're just like driven towards the negative things more than the positive things. So when assessing your opportunities or like your circumstances, look at it in a positive light. It's easy to look at it in a negative light. It's easy to go like, hey, this is just a shitty opportunity. This is not really what I want to do long term. And it's just like, yeah, I'm not going to do it long term. But if I do it within these 3, 4, 5 years, I can change my situation around completely. So it doesn't take me 10, 20, 30 years to climb the ladder to gain some money. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like that's an opportunity out there that a lot of people don't, or a lot of people don't analyze, and a lot of people don't take advantage of in the long term. So I just wanted to come in with this video. I won't make this too long. It's pretty cut and it's pretty straightforward and pretty to the point. But leave your comments below, like, comment, subscribe. hit the like button. Comment your thoughts below. We out.